We're 15 hours ahead in time. I got no sleep. I was up for like 24 hours traveling. But we're in Singapore.
Nice.
Oh, look at this. Whoa. I might just have to take a bath. This is crazy. We're staying at the Ritz-Carlton. I think I already said that. But this is crazy. It's the nicest hotel I've ever stayed in. Wow. See what more places they got. Just left the Ritz-Carlton. We're in like a shopping center. Trying to find some food. They have a lot of ramen and a lot of Asian food, obviously. But yeah, we're just checking out. See, we're just checking out some places to eat, walk around, see what they got. Not really sure where to go. We're not really sure. Okay, let's go look at the chicken place. Looks like just chicken burgers. Oh, right here. So I just got me some kimchi chicken ramen. It looked pretty good, but we're gonna have to taste it. And I got me a lemon iced lemon tea there. And it's all really cheap. Like, it's pretty cheap in Singapore. I'm down on the streets of Singapore. I'm gonna be walking downtown over here. It's probably like a 30-minute walk. But as you can see behind me, they're doing all this construction because we were a day late. 1 day late. They had a festival going on. They had an F1 Grand Prix racing. So what they do here every year in Singapore, they have the Grand Prix racing competition, or tournament, or whatever you want to call it, and they actually race through the streets of Singapore. So usually, like with other race, like NASCAR and stuff, it's on just a single track that goes around and around. Well, here they close off the streets and they have to actually race through the streets, which is really cool. So we missed it by 1 day. It's like the stadium with a soccer field, and they turn the stadium into a track. Bleachers for the track, so we missed that. See, here's some of the tents of the Red Bull, McLaren, Formula 1, F1 racing, Formula 1 racing. I think the dude from Red Bull won. Oh, no, the dude from, I don't know who won. But if you go on Google, and type in F1 Singapore, it'll tell you who won. So I'm trying to find a way to get to the marina, the bay, to walk along the bay, and I think I gotta go through this mall and to get there. Right there is the Marina Bay Sands. We're gonna be staying there for one night. That whole top floor right there, that looks like a boat. It's all a pool, an infinity pool. So it's like one of the most famous, if you haven't seen it, I don't know if you've been living under a rock or where, but it's one of the most famous hotels in the world, 5-star. That one right there is the Ritz-Carlton, that's the one we're staying at. So, here it is, the Fullerton Hotel. I'm getting into downtown Singapore. It looks really cool. These buildings are all like futuristic looking, so it's nice. A lot of cool like art things around here. Buildings are really cool, like especially this one. The design of this building, it's really cool. They have a lot of really cool different designs, different cool buildings and different designs. And what I've noticed is it is really clean. I think it's actually illegal to litter here, but it's really clean. There's one kind of crazy law. It's illegal to chew gum. It's illegal to possess gum in this country. And if you are caught with it, you can get arrested. Pretty crazy. But I'm looking, I think I'm on my way headed towards Chinatown. I think that's over here. So we'll find out. And it is really hot and humid right now. So I'm kind of sweating. It's not that bad, but it's pretty humid. So let's see what's over here. I see a bunch of lights, so I think I'm getting kind of close to Chinatown. And I'm still running off like no sleep. I probably slept like 2 hours earlier. That's about it. It looks like this is where all of your food is. Huge food court full of like everything. Wow. These views are pretty crazy. Like there's just lights everywhere. Look at that. It's called the Singapore Flyer. Huge Ferris wheel. It's like really, really tall. When we were driving by it, it was really crazy. We got the flower. I think that's a theater. It looks like a flower. What else we got? We got the Marina Bay Sands where we'll be staying. My camera died. There's like cool lights and cool buildings everywhere. But I'm about to head back because I'm getting really tired. Like I said, I haven't slept, and I'm a little hungry and I'm hot. But yeah, this is cool. So they have ferries that run across the Marina Bay. See, there's one right there. There's another one that just docked over there. But yeah, they'll bring you back and forth. I think it's only like $5 to go back and forth. And there is our hotel right there. But yeah, this is really cool, really nice. All these buildings are so unique. There's a cool building over there called it's a hotel. It's called the Park Royale Pickering, and it's weird. Each floor has like a huge garden, but it's on the outside, so it looks really cool. I'm gonna fly my drone up there, or try to fly my drone up there tomorrow or the next day, because we are here until Thursday before we fly to Bali. But yeah, tomorrow what we're gonna do, we're gonna head to Chinatown, and we're gonna head to, I think, Sentosa Island, which at Sentosa Island they have Universal Studios, but I don't think we're gonna go there, and they have a bunch of other like cool places to see, and like beaches and stuff. So hopefully the weather's nice where we can go to the beach. And then I think the day after that, Wednesday, when we check into the other hotel, Marina Bay Sands, we're gonna do the Gardens by the Bay, and all this marina stuff over here. And then yeah. About it. I'm not sure what else we're doing. There's a lot to do here, so we'll just do it as we go. Not too much planning. As you can see, that fountain is a huge attraction right here. Everyone's taking pictures, the typical tourist pictures, but I got a few good ones. Go check out my Instagram so you can see behind the scenes and whatever I upload. But I think I'm gonna end it right here. I'm super tired right now. I'm gonna go back to the hotel, take a shower, knock out. And then tomorrow we're gonna do a bunch of stuff, so make sure you tune in. Damn, all those colors look so cool behind me. So tune in tomorrow. I hope you liked the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe. We're headed for way more adventures. Still got a few more days in Singapore, then Bali, and then that final destination that I haven't told you yet. So stick around. I will see you in tomorrow's video. This is the Life of Mikey. Peace. Bye.